Hi there, this is Star White of StarWhiteReviews.com, and welcome to my site. And this is a review for BreakOut Reloaded, and I'm really excited about this one. And if you haven't ever been here before, please click the subscribe and the bell so you don't miss a video when I make another one. If you're trying to make money online, this is the best way to start. His secret breakout method generated him $446,000 in just 7 months. Yes, he started from scratch. He didn't have a list. He didn't have anything, and he's willing to show you all of those tricks and how he did it. One click makes him $1,432 daily passively. Here's how you can replicate his whole system. And the great thing is it's pretty cheap for what you're going to get here. Evergreen setup, once continued property, instant access to our fail-proof method for making money out of thin air, perfect for newbies. And this is truly perfect for newbies. I went through the whole thing. I have access. It was very easy to use and very understandable and just really a great program. Works like a charm in 2021, and it will go on to make money regardless of any year it is. It'll keep on working for you. No making videos is required. Step-by-step video training, exposing the entire process, 30-day money-back guarantee. And like I said, he started out with nothing and went ahead and made all this money in just less than 7 months. And this is a testimonial. BreakOut Reloaded is a great example of how to succeed with email marketing. James' case study training is a real-life example of his emails and funnels and are a brilliant tool for anyone looking to get into affiliate marketing with emails. I really enjoyed watching his training and seeing his results. His transparency and openness is refreshing for the marketing industry. And there are many more testimonials on this page, so you can go ahead and go through those if you'd like. And as you can see, in a measly 20 minutes for quick cash blast, this is what he's making. And like I said, he started out with no list, no other apps, no anything. And he's giving you this training for pennies. I've bought other training that's cost me thousands of dollars, and it wasn't as great as this. And along with that, I'm going to go ahead and give you some bonuses. So we're just going to look right here that I'm going to go ahead and give you Eclipse free access. That's also training in here for you to get more with your training and to build your business further up. Interesting free access, which is with Trevor Carr, who is a super affiliate, and you're going to get free access to that, and his training's awesome. And you're also going to get Zero Workday access, which is by Brendan Mace, which is free training also. Excuse me, pardon me, that should have clicked up there. So anyway, let's go look at the members area. And here, excuse me, here we're in the members area. They're having a little trouble with this. He said he's going to fix it, so we're just waiting on that. And that's just your welcome video, so it doesn't affect this program where that you're going to be in the actual main place when you use this program. Here's the 446 breakout case reload study from Steve. And after that, you're going to get the great breakout reload mindset, how to find hot products to promote, how to get approved for multi products. And this is essential because a lot of people want to prove you, so here he's going to show you how to do that. Recommended products for you to promote also that you make the most out of it and get the most money that you can. And you're also going to get Breakout Reloaded Funnel class, how to build a converting opt-in page within ClickFunnels, how to build a thank you page in ClickFunnels, how to set an exit intent, and connecting your autoresponder. You're also going to get Breakout Email Marketing 101. This is really an awesome course. He does a great job. Shows you step by step how to do that. Building your epic breakout code follow-up sequence, how to send cash on demand blast. This is really great too. Setting up a rotor link for blast. This was something I haven't even thought of doing. And I've been online for years. I never realized I could send it out my rotor, out my blast. I thought I could only use it on other things, but a lot of places let you do that. Like GetResponse will allow this, but I don't know if others will. HTML emails and list segmentation. Breakout traffic reloaded. You're also going to get tracking your traffic with conversions, how to scale solos efficiently, breakout buyer traffic on demand and reloaded, bonus Facebook group, surefire leads. And then, of course, there's the bonuses and the upgrades. And I suggest the second upgrade on that one I would get because that was essential. We'll go through these upgrades in just a moment. So anyway, that's all the training that you're going to get inside the program. And I think the upgrades are in here, but they might not be. We'll just see for a second. But I think the upgrade was only like It wasn't very much. It was pretty cheap actually. Like I said, you can go through all this extra in your time because there is a lot here to go over, and plus all the bonuses they're going to give you, plus the bonuses that I'm going to give you. So they're also going to give you bonus one breakout code 202 resell rights, which that means you make all the money if you sell this. So you're going to get that, and you're going to get bonus two is method X. Using method X will give you hot buyers fast for your offers. Traffic strategies including both free and paid. It's proven to deliver sales consistently day after day. We have bundled this in one simple, easy access area. Bonus three, this funnel is battle tested and proven to convert like cold traffic into hot red buyers. Plug in and watch the streams, recurring commissions, and roll in. And that's $497 value. So for less than, I'm pretty sure this is less than $20. And bonus number four, breakout reload, 3-day follow-up swipe series. Take back action today. Get high converting commissions. 3-day follow-up series swipes. Proven to turn fence sitters into consistent long-term buyers, which is $97 value. So you're really getting a lot of great deals here with the bonuses. They're also coming in on this. But they have income proof and that he did this in less than 7 months. And this is what he's making all the time. And it was really easy to do. Like I said, I went through the whole program. It was easy to follow, easy to implement. What he told you actually works. It's true. I can't believe how my own list has built up so far. So just using this program. So if you really want to make money online, I suggest that you get this. And like I said, you're going to get tons of training inside here. And the breakout case study, he does a really great job on that. So you're going to get all this training. And like I said, it's under $20. And I paid, it was over $1,000 for some training that I bought. We won't say from whom, but I bought over $1,000 worth of training. And I got more training in here for $20 than I got and understood it than I got for $20 in the other big program that I bought. So if you're really interested in making money online and you're starting out, or even if you're not starting out, that's a great way to build your list and make money in the easy way. And like I said, he makes a lot of money every month. And like I said, he made $446K in just 7 months. That's $500,000. That's a lot of money. And he's going to teach you how to do everything. He doesn't hide anything back. He shows you how to do everything. So this is really, really, really an awesome thing to be picking up here today. So I get in before he closes the doors because I'm quite sure he doesn't want to get oversaturated. And like I said, I would go ahead and join this program and all this training. It's just excellent training. And I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell. And I'll see you on the next video. And I can't say enough about this. I wish you luck. Thank you.